Welcome to aminacademy.com. In numerical methods and analysis, let us discuss about algebraic properties of operators of E and D. The property E and delta obey the law of indices. That means e power m, where m is an indices, and e power n also an indices of u of x equal e power m plus n of u of x, and delta power m into delta power n u of x equal delta m plus n of u of x. Now let us prove it. E power m into e power n of u of x equal, now we'll write e power m as it is and operate with e power n of u of x, which is u of x plus nh, which is further operate with e power m, we'll get u power u of x plus mh plus nh is already there. Now, which is equal e power here mh plus nh. For that we'll write m plus n of u of x, and we proved second one, delta power m into delta power n of u of x equal, which is means delta into delta like that, m times delta is multiplied into same like delta into delta n times of u of x, which is equal to delta like m times plus m plus n times. Delta is delta into m plus n times of delta of u of x, which is equal delta of power m plus n of u of x. Here note this point. Operators E and delta can be regarded as algebraic quantities, but we must be careful with respect to the following important points. Now, next property we'll discuss without proof, that is the suppose the fourth one, E and delta are not commutative with respect to variables. That is, if u of x equal f of x into g of x, then e of u of x, operator e with u of x, is not equal to E of not equal to f of x into E of g of x. E of u of x is not equal to f of x into E of g of x, which means E and delta are not commutative with respect to the variables. Then, and one more with delta I can do, delta of u of x is not equal to f of x into delta of g of x. Next one, fifth property. If delta f of x equal 0, then it does not imply that either delta equals 0 or f of x equals 0. We cannot mean it. It is separately delta equals 0 or f of x equal to 0. Then sixth one, operators E and delta cannot stand without any operand. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.